You won't believe what she's about to do. That looks so cool, I want to try if it really works. All I need is this glue and a tap. Put as much as you can on the tap and turn the water on. Wow! Look at all the bubbles. If it wasn't toxic, I would eat it. This was so fun. A big thumbs up from me. Ran out of hairspray? No problem, this hack is guaranteeing us a few more sprays. Let's test it out. I just need to apply pressure to the can, but it's so hard, I had to call my friend for backup. Here he goes. The can isn't deforming, but I think that will do it. The moment of truth and, yay, it did work. Just saved a few bucks. No knife? No problem. Camping is going to be so easy if this hack works. Open your tin can, straighten the cap, and start cutting. Cut, cut, cut. Let's get this meat out and see if it worked. The moment of truth and, wow, it works perfectly. Did you know that you can use zip ties to cut tape? I didn't either. Let's see if it really works. Cut the zip tie and make it pointy so it rips the tape. Putting it to the test now, I hope it works. It did work. Wow. Thanks, Internet. Get the most out of a drink machine. Only grab the soda part without the extra water. But does it really work? Let's find out. Move the cup fast to grab the cola. I'm not really sure. I don't think it's working. Here are 2 hacks you can do with just a fork. I hope they really work. As a garlic bread enthusiast, this will literally save my life. The first one works. Now let's crush it. Huh? It was so easy. Thanks, Internet. Having a broken charger has got to be the worst thing ever. Let's test this hack and see if it will help. And I won't get struck by electricity again. After heating a straw enough that it becomes liquidy, roll your charger around it a few times, covering all the exposed wires with plastic. Checking out the final outcome. Hey, it actually works. Exposing viral hacks. This claims to be the easiest way to zest a lemon. All we need is a grater and parchment paper to get this big chunk of lemon zest. Put your parchment paper on top of the grater and zest, zest, zest. Wow, it usually gets stuck in the grater. It really works. Thanks, Internet. The only right way to cut a pomegranate. Let's see if it's really that easy. I rarely eat pomegranate because I'm too lazy to do all that work, so I'm really hoping this hack works. Cut, cut, cut. Take the top off and cut again vertically. Open it up and, wow, it's legit. Yummy! If you're lazy and have a party whistle, you're going to love this hack. But does it really work? Let's find out. Grab your phone and blow on the whistle. Scroll. Scroll, scroll, and scroll. Yay! It works.